And now is the time where we learn how to add or subtract terms that have variables or unknowns. And in reality, it's actually a very easy process. So we're going to use very easy numbers, like 7x plus 5x minus 3x. The first step of the process is to verify that all the terms have the same variable. This one has an x, this one has an x, and this one has an x. They all have an x. This is a good sign. It means we can combine them. They are like terms. We can combine them. Now, we don't do anything to these x's. We don't add them, we don't subtract them, we don't touch them. This just means since all the terms have an x, our answer is going to have an x. It's just an x. Whatever the common term it is, that's going to be the term of the answer. And what do we do with the numbers, which, by the way, they're called coefficients? Numbers multiplying variables, those are coefficients. Well, we add them or subtract them based on their sign. So here we have positive 7, positive 5, negative 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. And that 9, since every term was multiplying the x, well, that 9 multiplies the x of the answer, and that's it. That's the answer, 9x. So what do? We verify all the terms have the same variable. The terms that have the same variable, we can combine them, keeping that common variable, and we add or subtract based on the signs of the coefficients. And what would happen if instead of an x we have, I don't know, x squared? Well, everybody has an x squared, so the answer has an x squared. Instead of a 9x, it's now 9x squared. Well, I didn't change the numbers, I changed the variable, so the answer is 9x squared. And what if it would have been a y? Everybody has a y, so we can add them or subtract them based on their sign, and instead of a 9x or 9x squared, we have a 9y. So as long as everybody has the same variable, we can add them or subtract them based on their sign. Where is the problem? The problem is when we have different terms, like this one has an x, this one has an x squared, this one has a y. X and x squared are not the same variable. In order for us to combine like terms, the terms have to be exactly the same. Same letter, same exponent. These are not the same, so we cannot combine them. And y is a y, it's not an x. So it's not the same. That means in this case, we cannot add them or subtract them because they are not like terms. So first verify all the terms are the same. And if they are, we can add or subtract based on their sign.